In this video we are going for a walking tour of the village of Lyndhurst in the New Forest in Hampshire, England. Lyndhurst only has one main street, so here we are at the top of the high street by the Crown Manor Hotel. This hotel is a Grade 1 listed Tudor building and built over 500 years ago and steeped in history. It was originally a coaching inn and then became the Crown Hotel in the 17th century. The origins of the coaching inn can be seen with the presence of a huge stone at the entrance to assist travellers getting off the horse-drawn carriages. It's a very popular hotel due to its prime spot in the village and for those wanting to explore the New Forest. Let's continue the tour further down the high street. Lyndhurst has always been considered as the ancient capital of the New Forest due to its location in the centre of the national park. Notice on the right hand side we are passing the Mad Hatter Tea Rooms. Strange name indeed, but the reason for this is that the lady who gave the inspiration to the character for Alice in the Lewis Carroll's Alice in Wonderland is buried in the village churchyard, and so a number of the shops have adopted the references to this famous book. Notice on the left hand side a couple of antique stores that are popular in the village. This one has a solid reputation and has customers from all over the world. We are now at the main intersection of the village. The village is unfortunately infamous for the heavy traffic, as all roads join together at the village. It's notorious and quite dangerous to cross the road. The village has been asking for a bypass for decades, but unfortunately the request falls on deaf ears. There are a couple of popular pubs in the village, including this one on the right, the Fox and Hounds. Lyndhurst has become established centuries ago as the holiday destination of the kings and queens of England while they went out hunting in the New Forest. The turning on the right here leads to the central car park of the village. So park here to access the village and also visit the New Forest Heritage Centre, which is a free museum for information and history all about the New Forest. Lyndhurst has a number of tea rooms, cafes and various boutiques and gift stores. Sweet shops and bud shops, like you can see here on the right. Being in the heart of the forest, Lyndhurst is a popular hub for cyclists and hikers looking to explore the forest, with a number of bike rental and repair shops. So we've reached the end of the high street, and we'll turn round and retrace our steps back up the street to finish the tour at the church. We are now approaching the village church, which was originally built in the 13th century and then later replaced in the 18th and 19th centuries. The church itself is a treasure trove of pre-Raphaelite and Victorian architecture. It's a Grade 1 listed building, and many visitors around the world come to view the amazing frescoes inside. So be sure to stop by the church when you are visiting the village. And that brings us to the end of this walking tour of the New Forest village of Lyndhurst. Thanks for watching.